What's up, Barley gang, and welcome back to my channel, Being Barley Breathe. This is the long-awaited, much anticipated nursery tour for Nehemiah Alonzo. He's here, his room is complete, and y'all get into it. So as you can see, it's the Finding Dory / Finding Nemo theme, and I love it. I love it. He loves it too. If you want some details on this crib, where we got some of this bedding and stuff from, check out this video here. We're trying to get that thing over 1,000 views, so get into it. We got these stickers from Bed Bath & Beyond as I registered at Target and Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, son, you can do the voiceover with me. Say, hey, y'all. Say, hey, Barley gang, I'm here. But anyway, yeah, back to the video. We got these curtains from Walmart.com, and he has the smallest room in the house, so I needed to maximize storage. So we turned these regular schmegular bookshelves into closet units. Check out that video if you want the details on that, or see how I done it. Look at my little so she makes a cameo in every video. But yeah, say hey, y'all. He's doing the voiceover with me, you guys. But yeah, so this took me several months, probably the duration of my pregnancy, to pull this room together. Although it is so small, we needed to maximize the space. So for a changing table, we chose to go with this 8-unit storage bin, and I got it from Walmart.com. The bins came from Walmart as well. The owls are from a different company, but I thought they were cute. It just went with the whimsical theme of the room, and it was pretty playful, so I said why not. But I love these bins because they're so big, they're so deep and long. It's really plentiful for all of his little onesies and socks and burp cloths, receiving blankets, extra bedding, everything. Just he even has a junk drawer. You know, if you're black from the Midwest, you know what a junk drawer is. It's usually in the kitchen, but he has one in his nursery where we keep random stuff. But there's my little butterball. He's about 3 or 4 months in this video, and y'all, he's safe. He's strapped down, and his brother, my stepson, who's 5 years old, is in the room with me as well, to keep him entertained while I record. But yeah, so this is a room being used. It's a little messy, but that's to be expected. This little treasure right here is a piggy bank one of my cousins made from scratch for him. She took some of his pictures from my social media that she loved the most and made this. It lights up. It's so beautiful. Thank you, Jasmine girl. Unique gift. Diapers on deck. Yes. But yeah, so you guys, tell me what you think about the room. Like as I said, this is my first child, first time designing a nursery. I think I did pretty good with such a small space. But also be sure to check out other videos in the series. His welcome home party we hosted in Detroit around his 4-month mark. So check that out. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.